When I look at nuclear energy as a potential source for energy production in this state, I really believe it is a good option if done properly. And if we have a plan for waste. One thing that I haven't seen effectively done in the state of California is waste management plans that are responsible for nuclear waste. I don't believe exporting our nuclear waste is fair or ethical. If we go forward with a nuclear plan, I believe we must absolutely have a plan for the waste, and we must absolutely be decided that this is the way that we want to be producing our energy in this state.